Where I was getting it, they offered the budget. Fill the gap. That hii majina yote ni ya. Na hii majina yote ni ya. So that's the proof. So wewe umekuja pale umeswekenya mara mingi unakuja. Yes, uko check. Hii kwa hapo. Kama kuna mtu na swali.
Actually, the good hope is that I'm not in this. So, for those who are not around that day, for those who don't know the CS hostel, you will just.
Naitwa Kevin Hala, representative of
CS hostel.
Finance, be blessed. Majina naitwa Morgan, CS Education. Na nataka tu kuambia tu ukifunga, be safe.
And earlier, we had what we can deliver to you an advice or whatever. Please let us
Comments.
Good afternoon. Current 22nd, I take this opportunity. Please, if I would suggest, just uphold what the Constitution is outside, the national Constitution. We have a case at the police where someone was found guilty of something. We beg you uphold the Constitution of Kenya. When we come back, as the Vice President, I will be here to meet you red-handed, breaking the school rules, and as well, I would also suggest you go through the Constitution, to an case, so I want let's understand that leadership is not ours. I can't be the Vice President, but I can do my duties right now. But a CS, any CS can interact with the other comrades. That's what I can do at best. Well, the true measure of a leader by how he treats his opponents. You want to portray a good leadership skills. If you want to treat your opponents correctly, in a lovely manner, and in a caring manner. Recognize them for this, the civic duty of each comrade. I don't wish to go through there. I wish you all the best. Namungu wabariki sana.
And we are representing you as student leaders. And I know we are working together and we are familiarizing with this work. Mine is a speech, a little 3-minute speech that I want to address it. Technical Training Institute. Let us speak positive about our institution and encourage potential students to join us come next term. As you all know, in May, Shangala is large enough to have more population. We are not that enough for each other. We need to advise them to join this team because hapa kuna potential. So let him or her be featured in this coming admission. Thank you.
This kind of meetings we can be able to ask and know some of the things we don't know. When we came in and had a lot of things, there I saw some of the students in my department coming to see their exams. What next? That's a good thing. I told them now you are free to wait for the party and travel safely home. Unfortunately, CS education